Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's market technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Phillips Njoko, the founder of 10x Digital Lab, where everyone who has knowledge gap in digital trading can get the right knowledge, get the right guidance, and also get the right tools to enable them trade the financial market profitably. And this market technical breakdown is for the time period of 9th of June to the 13th of June. So we're going to be going through different pairs, and these pairs are on the right-hand side over here. We're going through Euro USD, AUD USD, XAU USD, also known as gold, and lastly, Bitcoin. So with that said, let's dive into it. So before we forecast the week, we're going to look at what our forecast was for last week and how the forecast actually played out. So for last week, this was our forecast for last week. We said that we expected what Euro to break above this previous week high, which it did here, retest and continue going higher towards the supply zone. So Euro broke it, yes, but it came back towards this demand that we had before going higher. So our forecast was actually accurate. Okay, so we're going to delete this and then present the latest forecast right now. So before we move forward, we need to first of all mark the previous week high. This is the previous week high and the previous week low. And after that, we go to daily time frame. Daily time frame, we look for a daily demand and daily supply. So this is daily demand, and this daily supply still holds. This daily supply holds from this point. This is the new daily demand. Then we go to the 4 hours time frame. Then we look for the 4 hours demand, the current 4 hours demand, and the current 4 hours demand is this zone over here. Okay. So from what I can see right now, we have what a prevailing what uptrend. You can see the market is what trending to the upside. Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. Massive what? Correction. And then the trend continue. Okay. So from here now, we're setting what? Impulse, correction. This was correct. So for under impulse to head towards this high, this previous week high, is going to take out this previous week high. So from here now, we now start waiting for market to either break this stop to continue going higher or have a total reversal from here, massive reversal from here, and now start going down. Okay. So for this coming week, from these demands, we expect Euro to start buying to the upside towards this supply zone. That's what we see for Euro USD. The buy for Euro USD because inside the demand zone right now. Then the next is AUD USD. So for AUD USD, we have one accurate signal from here. We said over here that the stock market to just start shooting to the upside from here, or it goes towards this demand zone over here and buy. So that was market did. It came down, went towards demand zone, and when it came here, started buying to the upside throughout the week. So that was very, very accurate. So we delete that and we update the present week. So for us to update the present week, first we'll start with the weekly time frame to update the previous week high and previous week low. So this is now the previous week low over here, and this is the previous week high. Similar to what we had before, though. I touched the wrong thing. So this is the previous week high, good. And this is the previous week low. And mark out that low, good. So then we'll go to daily time frame. On daily time frame, we look for the daily demand, the current daily demand. So based on what I can see, this is the current daily demand. I see where this candle where daily supply still holds. Then we go to the 4 hours time frame, and you can see the prevailing trend. We have one choppy uptrend, very choppy one, but it's still up, you see. So then we go to the 4 hours time frame. So the 4 hours time frame, what do we spot? We spot the 4 hours demand, and the current 4 hours demand is this over here, this candle over here, and this is the demand zone. Okay. So from here now, I anticipate that AUD should buy from here. Okay, but we need to be very, very mindful of it. It's very, very mindful of it because if the market chooses to drop, if AUD chooses to drop against the dollar, that drop is going to be very massive. That drop is going to be very massive. If it chooses to drop against the dollar, it's going to be very, very massive. And the drop we're talking about here could be a drop that will break this low and continue going down because there is massive liquidity to be taken. Okay, under this low, this low, this low, this low. So the drop can be very, very massive to get towards this point to take all the liquidity below this lows here. Yeah, so this is what I see. But for now, this is the current picture. Since it has headed towards this demand zone, from here now you can expect a push up for AUD USD. Then for XAUSD, which is the next, XAUSD, our forecast for last week was we wanted the XAUSD to come towards this was an optimization zone for me to now buy towards the supply zone. What the market did, it came back to the optimization zone and bought, but did not head towards the supply zone as intended, but it head towards the psychological level of 3,400. Then reversed impulse correction from that impulse. So it's heading towards this demand zone, although it has broke a prevailing trend we drew over here. We broke a prevailing trend, so that trend is not valid anymore. So let's update this current chart. To update it, you go to the weekly time frame. Then on the weekly time frame, we mark out the previous week high and previous week low. This is the previous week high. This is the previous week low. We break the previous week high, we go high. We break the previous week low, we go lower. So on the daily time frame, we mark out daily demand, daily supply. So this is the daily demand. This is the last red candle before this high was taking this change of character. Good. Then the daily supply. This is the last week candle before this low was taking this change of character. So good. So that still stands. Then we go to the 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, where we also have the daily demand, I can see what a 4 hours demand over here. So for gold, what I anticipate now is from here, once it comes towards this 4 hours demand, we will take another buy for gold. Okay. This reoptimization zone has been disrespected and is not valid anymore. Okay, if the market chooses to what buy, okay, instead of sell when the market opens. We're waiting for our sales from here. So if you missed the sell from Friday, two things is possible. Once the market opens, it comes back here to sell. Okay, okay, or you wait for the market to do what? Come towards this buy here. Then you start looking for a buy opportunity from this demand zone here. Okay, so this is what I see for gold right now. So if you're not in on the sales, okay, you could just leave it when it comes towards this demand zone here, where we have the 4 hours demand and in line with the daily demand and also the previous weekly. This is going to be a very good opportunity for us to buy to go and take out this previous week high we have over here. So this is what I see for XAUSD right now. Then the next on the list is Bitcoin. Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, we can see that if I should extend this to the past, this is currently live and a previous week high has not been created. So based on what I can see right now, we have an impulsive wave of we have waves of impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction. Is complex, but it was creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. My point is that I want to show you guys something that's very important that Bitcoin has done recently. Bitcoin, from creating higher highs and higher lows, from creating higher highs and higher lows, which is a very good bullish market. This is the last higher high it created that created the all-time high for Bitcoin. Then it created a double bottom here. So we're expecting it to what? Come and create what? Another higher high. What did the market do? It what? Corrected and then create a lower low. So this is now a lower high. This is a lower low. This is another what? Lower high to come and create what? Another lower low. So where Bitcoin could be aiming to come towards, there are demand zones, but the first target could be what? This level here for now. The first target could be at this level. So for Bitcoin, I'm expecting it to drop towards this level. This is what I see. I'll be calling out this signal. It is live. This is the weekend already. This is live. And I'll be calling out this signal for everyone to take a quick sell on BTC USDT. Okay. Thank you so much for watching to this point. My name is Anthony Felix Njoku, the founder of Trade Digital Link. If you want to learn more about trading, you can dive down to our seller store. The link is going to be on the description. Once you visit the seller store, you can get access to our course materials, you can get access to our bots. We currently have bots for sale. You can get access to our signal group. You can get access to Forex digital lane courses. These 10 digital lane courses whereby you can get access to the 1 month, the 3 months, the 6 months, and the 1 year material. Okay, these are the prices. Okay, so once you select a package, this is the access you get. Let's say, for instance, you went for the 1 month package, which is a quick starter package. This is $49. If you're in any part of the country, you can pay, any part of the world, you can pay with seller.co. If you're in UK, if you're in Europe, you can pay with your card. Okay, once you make your payment, then you get access to this 1 month intensive online boot camp. You have a guest trainer from Forex experts. One is in London that will teach you about Forex, and also we have another guest expert from New York City, USA, that will teach you about Forex trading as well. Then we'll offer you some free Forex software files, indicators that you use on your trading view and also on your MT4, which will be compatible with your laptop. You can use to start analyzing the market and make profitable trades. Then you get access to our VIP signal, whereby you can also get access to VIP signals that will give you profits. Okay. Once you place this trade, we'll teach you how to place this trade as well. Then free mentorship into the Forex VIP mastermind group. Okay, you'll be a part of the mastermind group whereby we're having live trading sessions Monday to Friday. New York session or London session, depending on the event for the day. Okay, so you just gain access to all these incredible materials. Then one-on-one session with me, whenever you're done learning from the guest mentors or from our online materials on our website, you seem a little bit confused, you can reach out to me, schedule a meeting, and we'll put this confusion under control and give you a roadmap that you can follow to be able to gain access to the right steps to achieve success. So we also have my new book, Forex Mastery Guide to Trading Success. This is more like a textbook that's going to enable you to be able to learn the basics of Forex trading, okay, literally the basics from a beginner standpoint. Then once you're done, you pass an examination, you give you a certificate of participation and verification of becoming a profitable trader. This is very, very important. And then at last, once you're done, we also fund you an account, okay? A $5,000 evaluation account from a prop firm. That is from 6 months package up to 1 year package. If you go for 1 month or 3 months, you don't get access to this, okay? You can see it's strictly written access from 6 months package upwards, okay? So these are materials that you will be getting that is going to help you to build your solid ground. You might be wondering, why should you take my word for it? I have 4 years of experience in the financial market, and as I'm speaking to you, I have successful traders under my belt. Me myself, I don't just teach, okay? I trade currently. I trade my live accounts currently and on a day-to-day basis, and also I trade for prop firms as well. So if you want to see my live performance, you can as well connect to my PAM account. You can log it in on your MT4. Okay, you can reach out to me personally. I'll send you the details to the PAM account. You can log it in on your MT4 and see the track record of our trades so far. Okay, so this is literally what you get when you join our academy. You have other advanced opportunity, but for sure, this is what the heads on for you to be able to grow from where you are to a level whereby you can be able to wake up in the morning and you open up your phone, you see the trades that you placed on your phone, and this trades placed on your phone was due to the signals we sent to you. You'll be able to what? Feel very happy. You also get to a point whereby you go to the chart, you look at a chart, you don't guess. You know exactly what to do and why to do it because you're studying our materials. This is the level we want to take you to. If you're that person that wants to be at this level, don't hesitate. Go to the link in the description right now, click on our seller store, pick a package, and gain access to this opportunity. Have a profitable trading week.